Lauren, Ron here at Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. I'm going to do a quick video walk around in the 2013 Subaru Impreza. Try to show you some of the features. We don't sell a lot of these, so kind of do it on the run, I guess. Okay. 14,988. I'm trying to show you the tires look almost brand new. Okay, it does have the luggage rack on the roof. 35,000 miles. Manual transmission. Okay. Traction control. Bluetooth, just by looking here. Let's get over. Alright, heated seats right there. Okay, 5-speed manual. Take a look in the back seat here for you. Real clean car with the light color interior. Okay. Take a walk around the back. Looks like it's the Impreza Sport. Okay. Again, real clean. It looks like they didn't even use the carpeted floor mats. They're still in the bag. There is like an all-weather WeatherTech type floor mats in there. Again, 13 Subaru Impreza Sport, 2013, 14,988. Any questions? My name is Ron here at Burtness Chevrolet. Give me a call, 608-879-2973. Again, Ron at Burtness Chevrolet, 608-879-2973. Thank you.